For this video, we're going to look at basic addition in algebra. We're going to try to keep things along the same idea as the first class, but we're going to introduce some more complex concepts. So we're going to start with addition. I'm not going to use all the pretty graphics this time because I think we're quite familiar with the simple approach, so you'll just have to put up with my drawings. We've always been taught that maths is all about finding an answer, and in the first video you'll notice that we looked at the value of cans of Coke, and then we said if those were each worth $2.20 each, then we could get ourselves an answer by saying 2 buy $2.20, or by saying, in this instance, 2C. So 2C equals 2 times Coke equals 440. While that concept still holds true, what we're going to introduce is the fact that when we add together different variables and different pronumerals, we've got to be sure that we are adding like and like pronumerals to produce a result. This may sound difficult, but it's actually quite simple. Looking back at our example, I know that I need to buy 2 pies. I'm going to represent our pies as little dishes like so. So I need to buy 2 pies. Okay, and then another friend asks me to buy 2 more pies. How many pies do I need? Of course, in English we'd say we need 2 buy pies plus 2 buy pies. Or, algebraically, we would say 2p plus 2p. P meaning pies, pies having a value of, let's say, $3.50. So if we were to say that P, or 1 pie, equals $3.50, we simply do some substitution. Where we see P, we put $3.50. This becomes, once again, 2 by $3.50 plus 2 by $3.50. We do each side of the equation, or 2 by $3.50 is 7, plus 7 equals 14. If we're talking in dollars, of course, we'd need $14 to buy our pies. Let's say this time around, though, we're asked to buy 2 pies and we are also asked to buy 3 Cokes. Let's make those red just so they look a little bit more lifelike. Okay, that's our first objective. We're going off to get 2 pies and 3 Cokes. But then we're asked to buy a further 3 pies. And I'm going to stack them here. You'll have to follow my words here more than my drawings. And an additional 2 Cokes. And I'll colour those red again just for fun. Let's represent that algebraically. We are asked to buy 2 pies, or 2 times pies, plus 3 times Cokes, plus an additional 3 times pies, plus an additional 2 times Coke. Now, I'm just going to be very straightforward here and go straight to the idea that we are going to use one single letter instead of using pies. So, 2p plus 3c, these are our 2 pies, and our 3 Cokes, plus an additional 3 pies. So 3 times pies, remember, no multiplication between 3 pies. We're speaking in English here. Plus another 2 Cokes. 3 pies, 2 Cokes. Well, we know that pies and Cokes are completely different things. So what we do is we add together like items. So if someone says, I need you to add together, I need you to get 3 more pies, pies add together and the Cokes add together. So 2p plus 3c plus, and we could put a bracket here if we wanted to, just makes it look a little neater, 3p plus 2c equals, well, 2 pies and 3 pies equals 5 pies plus 5 Cokes. Simple. That looks really, really complex, doesn't it? It looks like we've achieved something a whole lot more powerful than what we're actually doing. And of course, if we had a value, so once again, let's just say pies are $3 this time, they've gone down, and Cokes are $2, we could do some simple substitution where we put P there, C there, so we expand out the brackets, 5 times 3 plus 5 times 2. Work out each side. 5 3s are 15, 5 2s are 10, 15 and 10 equals 25. So we need $25. How simple.